Hey everyone, welcome to the Ultimate Gardening channel. In today's exciting sprouting video, we're in a completely different setting today, and the setting we are at today is at my church. So we're out here today fixing up their garden that they have back here. Let me go ahead and turn around the camera and show you guys how the state of the garden looks right now. So Ultimate Gardeners, this is their garden right here that they had. So as you can see, they had a tomato, oregano seems to be, green onions, lemon, pineapple, passion fruits, and I don't really know what this is, but seems to be this needs a little bit of help. So I'm gonna renew this completely. We're gonna expand it over here, we're gonna bring it a little bit more forward. And the thing I just did was I transplanted these pineapple plants that they had into this square little raised bed because I really liked how it would look if all 5 pineapples are full grown. It would look very pretty and organized in this specific area right here. Then they have a few of these foam containers that they had dirt in, so we're gonna make drainage holes in him and here in these containers. We're gonna fill it up with more soil, and in these containers we're gonna fit the herbs. So that is what's best for these containers. And in here we're gonna go ahead and put brassicas, tomatoes, and everything that they love to eat is gonna be put right here. So let me go ahead and work more on this, and when we have more of a transformation going on, I'll record it again. So to main gardeners, here is how an update is going so far. We removed all the plants that are necessary. I added these containers here. They looked very pretty. I transplanted the scallions that were right here, right there, the oregano that was over there, right here, and the pineapples you guys already saw. Gave them a good watering, treated all the passion fruits. Everything has been watered in. We're gonna spray the grass to kill it, and this edging is red brick stepping stone right here that we put around it, sort of as a more of an elegant touch right here. And then another day will come with topsoil, level it out, and by the time that happens, I will make a separate video showcasing the seeds that we're going to be planting in this specific area that I'm going to start at my own home. So this is sort of like a midway update right here. The main gardeners, we're gonna be wrapping up this project here today. As you can see, we did quite a lot today. We fixed up some containers, transplanted a few plants that we would like to keep, and my dad already sprayed down the grass so it could die, and then we layer a fresh load of topsoil on top of it. And then once again, like I discussed, I'll go ahead and make a part 2. This is going to be different parts until the finished product, but part 2 is going to be me starting the seeds that are going to go in this area. So that's gonna be it for this exciting spreading video, you guys. I really would like to show you guys the transformation of this area from how it was to now how it's going to be. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and may God bless you and your family, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.